Have you ever laid in bed at night staring at the ceiling, wondering why sleep doesn't come as easily as it used to? You close your eyes, you're exhausted, but your mind keeps running, thinking about tomorrow, the aches in your body, or that one thought that just won't leave. You're not alone. Millions of seniors experience restless nights, light sleep, and those frustrating 3 a.m. wake-ups. But here's the truth. Poor sleep after 60 isn't inevitable. You can sleep deeply, naturally, and wake up refreshed again, if you know how to reset your body's sleep rhythm the right way. In this video, we'll uncover 5 powerful bedtime hacks that will help you sleep like a baby again, naturally, safely, and effectively. By the end, you'll have a complete nighttime plan to restore your sleep cycle, balance your hormones, and calm your mind, without pills or side effects. So grab a warm cup of herbal tea, settle in, and let's begin your journey to peaceful sleep. Hack number 1. The golden hour. Preparing your body for rest. The first hack is what I call the golden hour. It's that magical 60-minute window before you go to bed, a time that can either set you up for deep, rejuvenating sleep or keep you tossing and turning all night. As we age, our body's production of melatonin, the hormone that regulates sleep, naturally declines. But here's the secret. You can boost your melatonin naturally by creating the right environment during that last hour before bed. Here's how. Turn off all bright screens, phones, tablets, and TVs, at least 1 hour before sleep. The blue light from these screens tricks your brain into thinking it's daytime. That light suppresses melatonin, the very hormone that makes you sleepy. Instead, switch to soft, warm lighting. A dim bedside lamp or even a candlelight glow sends a signal to your body. It's time to relax. Now, during this golden hour, make it your ritual. Try something relaxing. Read a calming book. Listen to soothing instrumental music. Do gentle stretching or slow breathing. Or simply sit in gratitude, reflecting on what went well today. When you make this a nightly habit, your body begins to associate these actions with sleep. Within days, your brain will begin releasing melatonin on cue, and you'll find yourself drifting off effortlessly. Think of this hour as a bridge between the busy world and your dreams. Cross it gently. Hack number 2. The temperature trick. Cooling your way to deep sleep. Have you ever noticed how easy it is to fall asleep on a cool evening, wrapped in a cozy blanket? That's not your imagination. Temperature plays a huge role in how quickly and deeply you sleep. As we age, our body's internal thermostat becomes less efficient, which can make it harder to stay cool at night. But cooling the body is essential for deep sleep, because your core temperature naturally drops when it's time to rest. So here's the simple trick. Keep your bedroom between 65 and 68 degrees Fahrenheit, 18 to 20 degrees C. This range signals to your brain that it's nighttime and time to rest. If that feels too cool, use breathable bedding, cotton, bamboo, or linen. Avoid heavy synthetic blankets that trap heat. You can also try placing a cooling pad or gel pillow beneath your head or neck. For those who live in warmer climates, a lukewarm shower before bed works wonders. It may sound odd, but when you step out, your body temperature slightly drops, mimicking the natural cooling process that helps trigger sleep. Here's another surprising fact. Even cooling your feet can help. Dip your feet in cool water for a few minutes or wear light cotton socks to prevent overheating. It's amazing how something as simple as temperature control can transform restless nights into calm, cozy slumber. Hack number 3. The nighttime nutrition secret. Eat to sleep better. You've probably heard the saying, you are what you eat. But when it comes to sleep, it's also true that you sleep how you eat. As we age, our metabolism slows, and eating heavy meals at night can cause indigestion, heartburn, and disrupted sleep. But the right foods can actually help your body produce melatonin and serotonin, the key hormones for deep rest. Here's what to include in your evening diet for better sleep. 1. Foods rich in tryptophan. Tryptophan is an amino acid that helps your body make serotonin and melatonin. You'll find it in foods like bananas, oats, almonds, turkey, and yogurt. Magnesium-rich foods. Magnesium calms the nervous system and relaxes your muscles. Great options include spinach, avocado, pumpkin seeds, and dark chocolate, just a small square. Herbal teas. Chamomile, valerian root, or passion flower tea are gentle, natural sedatives. They lower cortisol, the stress hormone, and prepare your mind for sleep. And here's one secret bedtime drink. Warm milk with a pinch of turmeric and honey. This ancient remedy soothes inflammation, relaxes your muscles, and encourages melatonin release naturally.